Instantly, I fell in love with it. Like, you walk into this house and you're just like, man, it's so like bright and clean, and you think, man, this is what you want your house to look like.
I'm Keven Stone.
And I'm June Stone.
We wanted to pick everything, I think.
Yeah,
right?
I wanted to let that creative vibe out for myself, because I knew, I was like, well, if we're gonna be here, if we're gonna choose a house that we're gonna be at for the next 40 so years, and we wanted to be in this area, I said, well, we might as make sure we have everything that we want. It's so bright in our house. Like, it's crazy how bright. I added extra windows in the bedroom.
The copper ceiling really adds, for me, a ton of character to it, rather than just a flat ceiling, you know, because the room is so big. But yeah, it was well worth it.
No other builder would allow us to customize like Tabor did. And plus everything that came with it to begin with.
The jetted tub, you didn't mention.
I mean, come on, the jetted tub. Like, yeah. I would tell my friends, I'd be like, hey, so there's a lot that's right next to ours. Remember, I'd be like, hey,
if you're looking to buy or upgrade, come into our neighborhood.
There's lots of neighborhoods, and you know.
Tell a few people that.
Yeah.
Yeah.